Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. First of all, and the most important thing that you have to check is that your car already have Bluetooth. The second thing that you must do is go to your setting, and after that go to Bluetooth, and you must pair your iPhone or your Android phone with your car. So your phone and your car should be linked together. And after that, you should go to Google Maps, open it, and after that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to Settings. And after that, go to Navigation. And as you can see, there is an option called Play Voice over Bluetooth. Just activate it and activate also the second option. And like that, Google Maps will force your phone, or will force the application to guide you, and the voice of Google Maps will be played like over the speakers of your car when you are driving your car. But like we said, of course, your car should have Bluetooth, and your phone and your car should already be linked together so you can use that option. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.